Imagine a world without factories, without electricity in every home, without the internet. A world where everything was done by hand. That was life before the 19th century. But in the last 200 years, humanity has undergone such a radical transformation that it has completely redefined our existence. Today, in just 5 minutes, we'll explore the fascinating history of the industry. Buckle up, we're getting started. Our journey begins around 1800 with the first industrial revolution. The driving force behind this change was literally an engine, the steam engine. Suddenly, power no longer came from human muscles, animals, or rivers, but from coal and steam. This enabled the mechanization of production, especially in the textile and steel industries. Large factories emerged, and with them, industrial cities. The world went from rural to urban. Railroads and steamships shortened distances like never before. Fast forward to the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The Second Industrial Revolution, an era of steel, speed, and electricity, began. Electricity lit cities and powered factories. Inventions like the telephone and the automobile changed communication and transportation. But the greatest icon of this era was Henry Ford's assembly line. Mass-producing goods quickly and cheaply became the norm. Mass production and mass consumption were born. After the World Wars in the mid-20th century, we entered the Third Industrial Revolution. The magic word here is automation. The invention of the transistor and then the microprocessor changed everything. The first robots appeared in factories, and computers began to manage production. The information age had begun, laying the foundations for globalization. And this brings us to the present. We are immersed in the Fourth Industrial Revolution, or Industry 4.0. It's no longer just about automation, but about connection and intelligence. Factories are smart. Physical and digital systems are merging. The Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data, and 3D printing are the new pillars. Machines not only execute orders, but also predict failures, optimize themselves, and communicate with each other. In just 2 centuries, we've gone from coal smoke to the invisibility of the digital cloud, from manual production to hyper-personalization powered by artificial intelligence. This evolution has not only been technological, but also social, economic, and cultural. Each revolution has come with its challenges, but also with incredible opportunities. The question now is, what comes next? How will Industry 5.0 shape our lives? What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. And if you want to travel to the future with us, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next video.